If you already operate using Autocab 365 or Ghost Dispatch systems, you already have most of the infrastructure needed to connect with TaxiTitan 365 and start receiving additional booking demand through a structured commercial partnership workflow. The integration process is designed to operate alongside your existing dispatch environment without replacing your local operations, drivers, or dispatch control. The first step is creating a dedicated TaxiTitan 365 commercial account profile inside your Autocab system. This allows booking activity and partnership reconciliation to be tracked separately while remaining fully integrated within your existing operational workflow. Once the account is configured, controlled corporate accounts portal access can be enabled so coordinated booking requests may flow directly into your live dispatch environment based on your operational availability and coverage. From there, your dispatch team continues operating normally through your existing system. Your drivers continue receiving jobs through your own dispatch workflow. Vehicles remain under your operational control, and your local pricing and journey management structure remain unchanged. The additional booking demand may include local daily journeys, pre-booked work, station transfers, business travel, airport runs, and day-to-day customer transport, depending on your coverage and operational capacity. From the customer perspective, the journey still feels like a normal licensed taxi or private hire booking completed through your company. Drivers may continue collecting payment directly in the vehicle through cash or in-car card payment depending on your existing setup. Because the workflow operates through commercial account structures already familiar within Autocab environments, operators are able to maintain operational control while participating in additional booking coordination and structured reconciliation processes. For many operators, the benefit is straightforward. Better vehicle utilization during quieter periods, increased pre-booked work, additional booking flow without significantly increasing marketing spend, and scalable partnership opportunities that support existing dispatch infrastructure rather than competing against it. TaxiTitan 365 is focused on building long-term operational partnerships with licensed taxi and private hire operators through dispatch-connected coordination and commercially structured booking workflows designed around real-world transport operations. To learn more about onboarding, integration workflows, or partnership setup, visit TaxiTitan365.co.uk.